Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect PXN V9 to Xbox. First, take your original Xbox controller and make sure it is fully powered off. If your controller uses batteries, remove them for a moment to prevent the controller from turning on during the setup process. Next, locate the controller USB port on the PXN V9 steering wheel base. This port is usually found on the back or side of the wheelbase. Take your original Xbox controller and connect it to this port using a USB data transfer cable. Make sure the cable supports data transfer and is not only a charging cable. After that, connect the main USB cable from the PXN V9 steering wheel directly into one of the USB ports on your Xbox console. Now turn on your Xbox console using the power button on the console itself. Do not use the controller to power it on. Once the console starts, the steering wheel will begin its automatic self-check process. During this process, the wheel may rotate on its own for a few seconds. This is completely normal. When the self-check is complete, press the Home or Xbox button located on the steering wheel. Wait a few seconds for the connection to finish. If the LED indicator on the wheel turns into a solid color, usually green, that means the PXN V9 is successfully connected to your Xbox console and ready to use. Thanks for watching.